Here's how to get back the shortcut app on iPhone. So here we can see my shortcut app. Now let's delete this shortcut app from my home screen. So if you accidentally deleted shortcut app from your home screen, then to get back the shortcut app, you have to go to your app library. In your app library, search for shortcuts, and here you should see the shortcut app. All you have to need, drag and drop the shortcut in your home page, just like so, and that's it. You have successfully added the shortcut. And if you completely deleted or uninstalled the shortcut apps and now you want to get back shortcut app, all you have to need, go to your App Store, and in App Store search for shortcuts, and here you will find the official shortcuts app. All you have to need, tap on this download button to get back the shortcut app in your iPhone. Thanks for watching.